Listen, when we talk about success in Bradley County, it's nothing more than your willingness to do things better and bigger than anyone around us. And so today I think it's going to be one of those moments in Bradley County history we look back on in a few years and say, this was a big day, and this means a lot. For years, people came to this location and made brake pads, and because of that, families were impacted financially. And then after Bendix closed, this place sat dormant for almost 10 years. And Lynn Jones had a vision for this location, and because of his partnership with Simmons Bank, I tell you, they've been instrumental in Lynn being able to do what he's done so far. And now with IronCraft coming on board and really changing the entire vision of what Lynn had for this, and with their big announcement today, we couldn't be more excited to welcome them to Bradley County and Cleveland. This is going to be pretty short. We're going to have Mayor Gary Davis, Bradley County Mayor Gary Davis, and then Mayor Kevin Brooks say a few words. Then we're going to turn the program over to IronCraft. Once you guys get finished, you guys are welcome to tour this building and tour the next building, and then everyone's free to go. We're going to try to get everybody here by around 1:15 if we can. Okay? Thanks so much.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for coming. It's great to be here today. Another great day in Cleveland and Bradley County, as we always like to say. I'm happy to be here representing Bradley County and welcoming these fine folks to our community. I often tell people, or people ask, why do you have the growth? Why do you have all the people? And I said, we try to make Cleveland and Bradley County a place that people want to come to. And it truly is a great place to live, work, to raise your family. I get off mic every time I look over at you all, so I may not look all the time, okay? Please understand. I'm proud that IronCraft has seen the value of investing here in Bradley County. Just this week, we learned right down the road that we will be losing over 100 jobs. That's never good news. That's why we're constantly working to bring new industries, new businesses to Cleveland and Bradley County and work with those that are here in existing industries and helping them to expand. The COVID and the economy the last few years has been tough on some of our businesses, which is why we're fortunate to stand here today and celebrate this occasion. You mentioned Ironworks, and I was telling the gentleman a few minutes ago, I'm not familiar with Ironworks, but I'm very familiar with Titan. I just bought a bush hog and it says Titan on it. He promised, which one of you has promised to give me a sticker? Okay. He promised to give me a sticker that says Ironworks. I said, they're going to all think I've got an old bush hog now. And I paid a lot of money for that bush hog. I need a new sticker to put on there. But very aware of Titan. It's a great product. Around this part of the country, we all think they are valuable products. These are beautiful warehouses, as you see. I jokingly told him, I said, told Lynn, we're driving into this facility and I expected him to service our food in the car, didn't you? He said he didn't think about it, or he would have done that. I want to thank Lynn for having the vision that was mentioned earlier, working so hard to make this investment a reality today. Whenever a company or industry moves, I often worry that what will become of the old facility, and I drove by this millions of times over the last 10 or so years. What are we going to get to replace Bendix? It was a valuable industry in its day. Been gone for a while, so it is great to be here today and celebrate this occasion with this new company coming to town. I just want to say thank you to IronCraft team for what you'll bring to Cleveland and Bradley County. All of these people are here because we truly welcome you to our community. We really do. We welcome you. We wish you a lot of success, and we do look forward to working with you for many, many years. Thank you. Congratulations on this day.
Thank you, Mayor Davis. Welcome, IronCraft. We're thrilled that you're here. As Mayor Davis mentioned, we go to a lot of these. You're powerful. I've never seen Honey Baked Ham pull in the building to deliver lunch. So I'm already impressed. I've already offered Simmons Bank real estate downtown for your first branch in Cleveland. So we're thrilled that this partnership has come together. This industry, these warehouses are a perfect fit for Cleveland and Bradley County. As Mayor Davis mentioned, this lot sat empty, and a visionary man, Lynn Jones, saw the potential and acted upon it. And I'm grateful to you, Mr. Jones, for doing that. I'm thankful also that this is not the first time. Just a few blocks from here, the old West Vaco site is now the home of Triumph Sheets. And who did that project? Mr. Lynn Jones. So again, what an incredible day. Yes, we had an announcement of one company leaving, but here's Mr. Jones bringing 2 brand new ones to Cleveland and Bradley County. And I'm incredibly grateful to partner with Mayor Davis. I'm thrilled to hear of your investment in your bush hog, that the county is invested in this. And if I had a yard, I'd buy one too. It's a great day for Cleveland. It's a great day for Bradley County. I'm thankful for all my friends and partners. I see Chairman Dan Howell is here. I see our newly elected State Representative Kevin Raper is here. You guys go back and tell him in Nashville, Sam, all the great stuff we're doing here in Cleveland and Bradley County. Thank you. God bless. And welcome.
Thank you for those kind words. Good afternoon, everyone. We're very excited to have all of you here today in our brand new IronCraft facility. This is a big day for us. I've had a chance to meet many of you, perhaps not all, but I must say that we are touched by the outpouring of support from the business community and all of you. I mean, it is really great to see. Not every community is as warm and inviting as I found you to be thus far. So again, it was very, very touching. And I'm glad we have this event here today. As you can see looking around you, this is just the beginning. Soon, these buildings will be the home of a new state-of-the-art factory as we take IronCraft to the next level and continue to build out our U.S. manufacturing presence. This expansion, and let me stress that Cleveland is an expansion for us, but this expansion will add to our vast manufacturing facilities that we already have in Athens and Decatur, Tennessee, as well as Denton, North Carolina. So again, this is a great home for us. We continue to grow as the leader in attachments for 3-point hitches, skid steers, and compact track loaders, and we continue to reinforce the legacy of providing our customers with unmatched value and service. I want to give a huge thank you to everyone who's been involved in this project, certainly you, the business community, and of course the IronCraft team that helped make this a reality. I also want to give a special shout out to Lynn Jones and Travis Crisp. Without you, this vision could have never come to pass. At IronCraft, we want to unleash the best in our employees, unlock their creativity, and to excel in our field. We want to create an environment that provides diverse opportunities for Tennesseans, a place where they love to work at, and eventually where they feel free to retire from. We are passionate about creating the tools and equipment our customers need to handle the tough jobs, whether that's on a farm or on a construction site. This new factory is a giant step in that direction, and we're very excited to see what the future has in store for IronCraft here in Cleveland. So once again, thank all of you. Thanks to the business community for welcoming us. This is going to be a great step forward in our journey, and it will be a big help to the benefit, I firmly believe. Thanks again.